Bullish Digibyte cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 4 cents and 9 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept DGB could reach 3 cents by 2025. Bearish Digibyte market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Digibyte presentation. Numerous parts of the blockchain are being created to sub for the inadequacies of the Bitcoin and the Ethereum organizations, the Trailblazer blockchains. The speed rate, the exchange handling time, versatility, and different perspectives are treated as fundamental areas for token turn of events. Digibyte is a quicker blockchain network contrasted with Bitcoin that objectives the issue of on-chain instability and exchange expenses while filling in as a channel for arrangements. Digibyte focuses on the endorsement area by giving a profoundly solid stage to degrees and certificates while keeping up with openness among the clients to execute and re-establish information. We'd introduce an outline of the Digibyte biological system, the exceptional exhibitions throughout the long term, and the future capability of this token. What is Digibyte? Digibyte is an open-source network that works on the confirmation of work component that gives a stage to resource creation. It fills in as an answer for the security and versatility issues of the Bitcoin convention. The evidence of work system implies that DGB uses the idea to mine new monetary standards and resources through the PC with the utilization of 5 calculations not at all like one that numerous other blockchains use. Digibyte relies upon Autocrypt, Skein, Script, SHA-256, and Qubit to forestall mining centralization known as Application Explicit Incorporated Circuit that underlines security. This organization has demonstrated to give a superior option to the next blockchains, and furthermore works in 3 layers that are isolated from one another. The layers incorporate. The first layer manages shrewd agreements, decentralized applications, token issuance, record approval, and resource digitization. The mid-layer is for the public record, which fills in as a public channel for the dissemination of the local token DGB through the Digibyte blockchain. The last layer alludes to the force to be reckoned with of the convention, which houses the organization's product and hubs and handles on-chain correspondence and decentralization. With the security highlights came an innovation-empowered Digibyte blockchain that permits the production of another client sign-in convention called DigiID. This blockchain security convention permits clients to rely upon cryptography to get sufficiently close to their applications and sites. Digibyte was established in October 2013 by Jared Tate and formally started block mining tasks known as Beginning Block in January 2014 as a Bitcoin hard fork. As of not long ago, it has introduced a profoundly protected point-by-point guide that focuses on network security that expects to make the local area and financial backers happy with the exhibition. With this goal, Digibyte sent off Digibyte Form 8, a critical undertaking that is said to drive the token to the top tasks in the environment. Notwithstanding, in April 2017, Isolation Witness, an exchange design made to forestall unexpected exchange flexibility and permit the capacity of additional exchanges inside a block. The group behind the production of DGB committed a piece of its association to the advancement of the organization and its extensive variety of innovation to the world. Digibyte current cost. Digibyte is right now worth 1 cent USD. DGB has moved 1.94% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,165,110. Digibyte is right now positioned 159 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $164,353,944 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Digibyte to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Digibyte market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Digibyte Value Forecast 2023. Digibyte, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The DGB cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 1 cent. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 1 cent in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. DGB is supposed to have a base worth of 1 cent. Digibyte Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Digibyte DGB cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of DGB will before long outperform 2 cents. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the DGB's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, DGB will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 2 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 2 cents. Digibyte value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 3 cents and DGB might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. DGB is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 3 cents and a low of 3 cents in 2025. Digibyte value forecast 2026. On the off chance that Digibyte effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the DGB coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DGB will be green in 2026. The DGB is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 4 cents, with a base cost of 4 cents and a typical cost of 4 cents. Digibyte value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the DGB cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 5 cents by 2027. With a base cost of 5 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, DGB has a greatest value worth of 6 cents. Digibyte value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 6 cents. In the event that DGB figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 7 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help DGB needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 6 cents. Digibyte value expectation 2029. While DGB is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 7 cents and a yearly cost close above 8 cents in 2029. Digibyte value expectation 2030. By 2030, Digibyte will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 8 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 9 cents, averaging out at 8 cents. Digibyte value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme DGB cost in 2031 is projected to be 10 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 10 cents. And the guide of Digibyte determines them as a central part in the realm of computerized exchanges and arrangements. This organization guarantees to give a stage to decentralized applications for clients and suppliers, encouraging the production of advantages and trust. The fundamental organization movement permits the security of computerized resources, development of content makers, unwavering quality on the blockchain because of the disposal of go-betweens, and a superior circulation of remuneration. As per specialized examiners, very much like numerous alt stages,